Okay, today I just got these in the mail finally. So I'm going to try something. I'm going to make a new, basically inner cover feeder combo. I'm going to try it anyway. Here's the beginning. My pieces are 16 and a quarter, 18 and a quarter. And this is here is, rough put together here at the same. Then it turns into this one. Then I'm going to make a piece of plywood for the inner cover. I'm going to set that down on it, and I'll just lift this whole thing off as an inner cover, and then I'll ventilate it. I'm going to go ahead and ventilate it, drill it, put some air holes here with some screen mesh on it, just to be able to get ventilation in there. And I'll show you the final product here in just a few minutes, and we'll go from there. Alright, here's the finished product. I'm going to try a double feeder. This bottom area here is going to have screen basically stapled to the bottom of it. What I'm going to end up doing, hopefully, if everything will work, if nothing else, will be good ventilation. But that's going to be my upper feeder for during dearth and springtime feeding. But the pollen patties, I'm going to hopefully sit here on the wire, let them eat through that from the bottom side, and I'll have to clean it all off the top of my frames and everything every time you get in your box. I haven't used pollen patties so far this year at all because I just started or whatever, but just for future purpose. Tell me what you guys think about it. I'm hoping everything will hold up well, and it's basically an inner cover if you think about it. Already on there, I put a little ventilation in the back for everything, and gonna paint it up here in just a second. Just add little corners in there for stability. So these will be my little prototypes. I built 4 of them. We'll see how they go. Thanks, y'all. All right, this is what it's going on. We're gonna go ahead and try it. See if I'll put on this one. I don't have an inner cover on this one right now anyway. So we're going to take it down and bust it apart and put the setup in there. Here goes Spencer. This is my cedar tree cutout we did a couple weeks ago. Seemed to be doing really well. Hope they don't come out and get me on the leg or nothing. Well, hold on just a minute. I can do it this way. I got to shake them off that lid there. Oh, we're going to have a bunch of bees up in here. About 2 quarts or something like that. We'll just see how that works as far as a feeder for them. I wasn't really going to get into them much today. Hopefully everything will work right. I'll be able to tell here in a little bit. We'll lift that cover back off and just kind of see if they're all coming up, trying to find a place to eat. Well, I got my hole there for a little bit of airflow. All the rest of them are hanging out today. They done got a little warm today. 93 degrees here. All right, we're gonna see what they do.